Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about a simple, efficient and a brilliant reaction called Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. Before going into the details of Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis, I will explain you why I mentioned this as a brilliant reaction. We all know the cheapest and simplest source for preparing amines is ammonia molecule. You can directly alkylate the cheap ammonia molecule using alkyl halides to prepare amines. But one problem is there. When you alkylate ammonia directly, you are getting a mixture of product. I will show you the reaction. So when NH3 is directly treated with the alkyl halides like RX, you first get a primary amine, that is RNH2. This is a primary amine. But because of the increased nucleophilicity of nitrogen in this primary amine, this reaction continues. It again reacts with one more alkyl halide to form secondary amine, that is R2NH. So this is secondary amine. So again this secondary amine react further with one more alkyl halide to form R3N, and then it reacts again with one more alkyl halide to form quaternary ammonium salt, that is R4N plus X minus. So this is quaternary ammonium salt. So it is very difficult to separate all these products from the reaction medium. So directly alkylating ammonia is not a good synthetic protocol for preparing primary amine. Here comes the synthetic importance of Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. He also took ammonia molecule as the starting material, but what he did is he did not alkylate this ammonia directly. Instead, he trapped this ammonia molecule in between two carboxylic acid group. I will show you the reactions. So he first took phthalic acid, a dicarboxylic, aromatic dicarboxylic acid, phthalic acid, and he treated ammonia molecule with this phthalic acid, and after treating ammonia with phthalic acid, we first get COONH4 plus, ammonium salt of phthalic acid. So COONH4, this is ammonium phthalate. Ammonium phthalate. Okay, so this on further heating loses 2 molecules of water and we get CONH2, then CONH2. Again, it on strong heating eliminate 1 molecule of ammonia, we get one of the starting material for Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis, C double bond O, and here you have a NH. And this is called phthalimide. This is called phthalimide, and this molecule is called phthalimide. Phthalimide. So here you have La and here you have Li. So this is the starting material. So phthalimide is nothing but it is a molecule in which 1 molecule of ammonia molecule is get trapped. So this is the starting material, one of the starting material for Gabriel synthesis, and this first treated with a base like KOH. You can use KOH or NaOH for deprotonation. So this OH abstract 1 proton and we get C double bond O N minus, and this K plus get attached to this N minus, and here you have C double bond O. This is potassium salt of this is potassium phthalate, and this potassium phthalate then react with the alkyl halide. So the reaction is this negative charge attack here and X minus get eliminated, and we get this K plus and X minus, we get Kx, and The product formed is N-alkyl phthalimide. This is N-alkyl phthalimide. This is N-alkyl phthalimide. N-alkyl phthalimide. Okay, so this N-alkyl phthalimide can be exclusively converted into primary amine by hydrolysis. You can adopt either alkaline hydrolysis or acid hydrolysis. Let me go with the alkaline hydrolysis. So here this K plus and we have OH minus. This OH minus attack this carbonyl carbon. So what happens is, here you have now CO minus and that OH is here, and here you have NR, and here we have C double bond O and a bond. Okay, so this negative charge when come back, this bond gets shifted to nitrogen. So we get here again we have C double bond O, and here we have OH, and here C double bond O, we have N with a negative charge and R here. So this negative charge abstract one proton from OH, and we get, let me write here, we get C double bond O minus. The K plus ion get attached to O minus, and here we have C double bond O, N and H we have, then followed by R group. Again one more KOH unit attack here. So we get C double bond O, OK, then C single bond O minus. Here we have this OH molecule and NHR group. Okay, so again this negative charge will come back and this bond gets shifted to nitrogen. So we get C double bond OK, then C double bond OH plus we have this RNH minus. Okay, this R minus, Rn minus abstract a proton from here to form the primary amine. So let me write C double bond O, OK and C double bond O. Here we have an oxygen and this potassium may attach to this oxygen, and we get RNH, then with this hydrogen it become RNH2, and this is the primary amine. Okay. So in Gabriel synthesis what we are doing is, we are converting an alkyl halide into primary amine. We are converting an alkyl halide RX into a primary amine by using this starting material called phthalimide, and the reaction is catalyzed by various bases like NaOH or KOH. Now I will write you one particular example for this Gabriel phthalimide reaction. So this is an example. You have C double bond O NH, C double bond O NH. So when you treat it with first with an alkali like let me take here NaOH. Okay, instead of KOH I am taking here NaOH. Then the reagent alkyl halide is CH3 CH2Br. So this is the alkyl halide RX. And in third step hydrolysis. So here also I am taking NaOH H2O, aqueous NaOH. So the product formed are COO instead of K, here we have Na and COONA, and the primary amine formed here is, so this is the R part, that is CH3CH2, and amine group with this is NH2. So this is a primary amine and this is ethyl amine. So Gabriel-Thalimide reaction is a very efficient reaction for preparing exclusively primary amine from alkyl halide and thalimide. Thank you.